Hey, this is Kevin Zickerman here, founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and I am super excited to share with you our all-new features for October 2017. That includes an all-new redesigned V2 portal, our Facebook sales CRM, and brand new preview tools to help you sell more social Wi-Fi marketing. So I know your time is brief. Let's jump right into it. Today's agenda, I'm going to review each one of these in detail. The V2 portal framework, the new campaign builder, new languages, 24 languages now in total on our all-new V2 framework, the new welcome back one-click login for return users, a new passcode login option like a password that can be used to log into Wi-Fi, our all-new Facebook sales CRM, our new automatic Facebook campaign generator, our new Facebook lead capture tool, and our new convert preview to campaign tool. This is all new stuff developed from scratch and all designed to help you sell more social Wi-Fi marketing solutions. So our all-new V2 portal framework, now most of this is pretty much invisible other than the speed. So we really redeveloped our entire portal. So by portal, I mean the login experience when end users connect to a hotspot. That's the portal. Now it's all been built out of API-based microservices. All of this is hosted on Amazon, so it's lightning fast. All of the pages are served cached. So in layman's terms, no processing needs to be done. All of these images and all the landing portals and everything that the user experiences has all been cached, so it's super fast. And we serve this through the Amazon CloudFront CDN, or the Content Delivery Network. It's super lean and snappy, and it is truly the fastest captive portal in the industry. So to enable this, you have to toggle your social portal within the login. If you are a current user, you'll see right in your branding, you can toggle this to turn it on. And what that will do is really enable a global network of servers now serving your captive portal landing pages to any user, no matter where they are in the world. They're going to use the closest server available to them, resulting in an ultra lightning fast guest Wi-Fi login experience. And with this, we also launched an all-new campaign builder. So we really streamlined the way to build campaigns and really automated everything about it. So if we dive into the platform, you're going to notice this right under the campaign tab on the left-hand side. If you simply create a new campaign, you're going to notice that the entire builder has been redone from scratch. You can very easily upload your logos, your headers, your background. You can choose a color for the text. All of this changes in real time. So if I wanted to upload a logo here, in just a few clicks, I can literally change anything about this page, and we really removed a lot of the complexities of this. We really, by streamlining this, made it super easy to change anything in this page. And you have your title, your footer, and your SSID. So all of this is very easy to edit, your header and your background. We have our login options here as well, which is also very easy to reorder and add. Everything here is all done in real time, and it's all responsive. Under post login, you can add your Facebook lightbox or your custom text. You can also enable redirect to send people directly to a URL or to an app store after a certain amount of time on the thank you page. You can also enable your ads via your ad server right over here. And we also have an advanced section, which now has an advanced language bar that changes everything super fast in real time. As you can see here, everything is translated, everything is done professionally. So no matter where you are in the world, this will load lightning fast. We also added the ability to add your own custom terms very easily over here. So simply copy and paste your own terms if you want to override our standard ones. And you can also now drop in your Facebook Pixel ID. So simply drop in your Facebook Pixel ID. We do all the work to embed it and integrate it to track all your stats in Facebook and build your audience. You can also paste your Google Tag Manager for those who use Google Tag Manager for analytics or anything like that. You can also paste your header and body code in addition to a conversion pixel, which is fired post login. Now I'm going to go through an in-depth review of this entire new campaign builder. I just quickly wanted to show you a sneak peek because this is now live in your dashboards. In addition, we launched this, you've got a sneak peek there, a bunch of new languages. So our platform is specialized and works anywhere in the world, and now it's available in 24 languages seamlessly within the dashboard, and everything here changes in real time. So any of your users, as they are hitting your landing pages or hotspots, everything is natively right in their language. So that's a very, very powerful feature of our platform. We also launched our welcome back one-click login, or as I like to call, return of the Mac. So what we do is by tracking the user's MAC address, we're able to change the login experience. So currently, when users connect, they get the captive pop-up, they authenticate with Facebook, Twitter, email, SMS, or other options. We capture all of this great data, send them to a thank you page, and then redirect them to browse the web. So this new one-click login, essentially, once the user goes through this flow once, the next time that they come back to the same location or campaign with the same MAC address, they are automatically recognized. So for example, here it goes, welcome back, first name, and within one click, they can connect and get access to the Wi-Fi. So they don't have to agree to the terms again. They don't have to connect with Facebook again. Essentially, these steps over here are gone because we already have their data. They've already authenticated. They've already agreed. What we do is we say, welcome back, one-click sign-on, one-tap connect. We send them right to the post-login experience, so whatever your custom-targeted ads are, your interstitial videos, anything like that. In addition to your ad-served ads, it also sends them to the redirect URL, and then they browse the web as they normally would. But here, what's great is that they don't have to re-authenticate. Anyone that comes back to the same location or campaign with the same device, the same MAC address, gets the one-click return of the MAC login. We also added a new passcode login option, and you can see it over here in the campaign builder. If you go under the login tab, scroll down, you see enable passcode login. If you enable this, you can enter a passcode. So the passcode can be anything you want. It can be hello. It can be 1234. Literally, think of this like your old SSID password. So if you have anybody who, let's say, don't want to connect, and let me just switch this back to English. If you don't want to connect with Facebook, Twitter, email, Instagram, you can also connect with a passcode. So if you type in this exact passcode over here as a user, you'll get access to the internet. So it's a very easy way to give this to your staff or anybody that wants to access the internet and doesn't want to log in, or for those people who say, look, I don't want to log in with Facebook, say, yeah, no problem. Our password is awesome ribs. And type that in and you can get access to the internet. So this also can work if you just want the old-fashioned Wi-Fi to be protected. You can just enable the passcode option and just have it as an old-school password, but this doesn't use any WPA authentication or any of that Wi-Fi security that isn't so secure. This is our way of securing the entire Wi-Fi network using a passcode. We also launched a brand new sales CRM. So you can notice this. You might have seen this already in the dashboard. This is right on the left-hand side, sales CRM. There's things called previews, lead lists, and labels. So let's jump into those right now. And specifically with previews, what we did here is we launched an auto Facebook campaign generator. So I am super excited about this one because essentially, for those of you who saw the Facebook lead finder, basically see locations that offer Wi-Fi or any business that is on Facebook. So let's say my client was Burger King or literally any business on Facebook. So plenty of businesses are now spending a lot of local money on Facebook. This is a great instant way to show them how their Wi-Fi can be social. So you go right to their website. You simply copy this URL. It's facebook.com/Burger King. Okay, I go over here. I click on new preview. You'll notice over here I enter a name for my reference, so I'll do Burger King tests, and my preview type can either be an existing campaign where I'll choose a campaign that I built before, or I can do a new Facebook page automatically generated campaign. So here I'm just going to paste my Facebook URL. Again, this can be facebook.com/whatever your client is, whatever page you want. Literally any business on Facebook, over 100 million of them can be used. You click on save, and automatically we're going to do some pretty cool things. So looking at another example, by using Coke, if you connect with Facebook, you're asked to agree, yes, I want to share my information, continue as your user on Facebook, and then you get redirected to the thank you page, which automatically takes that same Facebook page, enables the Facebook like box for your preview, and then when you click next, the redirect URL is the actual Facebook page. So this entire flow, end to end, has been customized just by pasting a Facebook URL into our preview tool. What's really cool about this is that you have your URLs listed over here, and you can copy this URL and paste this and send it to your client. You simply can SMS that to them, and when they log in, they go directly into that actual experience. Now, what's also very cool with this, we also added automatic Facebook lead capture tools. So for example, if I create a Facebook preview, here I did a Burger King preview, and if I sent this to my client, and for example, they said, okay, I accept, I'm going to connect with Facebook, I'm going to log in, go through your entire flow, yes, I agree, I'm going to like your box and click on next. And what's cool about this is that we actually capture that Facebook authentication. So here we have the name, the real email address, the time that they submitted. So once the client goes through that flow and enters their name, you can apply a company name, and you can also add a phone number over here, for example, to have this as a little mini CRM to have you follow up with it. So once you have that lead inside and the lead says, okay, great, I want to buy this. This looks great. You made a social Wi-Fi experience that's completely in line with my Facebook look and feel and my brand. I love it. I want to buy it. So what do you do next? We created a convert preview to campaign tool to essentially allow you to take this campaign. So for example, I have this Burger King campaign that I just created. Let's say I wanted to make this editable. I wanted to take this and you have the ability to change things. So once you have your campaign preview and everything is good, the client says, yes, I want it. We have our convert preview to campaign button. So by clicking on that and clicking on create, we take that preview with Facebook data and everything, and we convert that into an actual campaign that you can now edit in our V2 browser. Okay, so this takes like 90% of the work out of the equation for creating campaigns. If I wanted to say, change anything over here, if I wanted to modify the logo, modify the header or the background, I wanted to add a layer, choose a color for the background, anything is possible. You can do it in just a few clicks. Once I click on save and I order a device, the device is also automatically added to my account. So literally all there is to do is plug and play to launch this exact campaign with your post login lightbox and URL redirect that you can change at any time has all automatically been generated to help you sell more faster and easier. So that is the new features for the CRMs. And if you missed any new feature videos, log on to mywifinetworks.com/updates. There you're going to see videos of our new presence analytics, the ability to track passerbys, visitors, and connected users. We have our devices in our store for $49 at shop.mywifi.io that have this presence analytics enabled in your accounts. We also have our new ad server embed URLs, the ability to just paste a rich media URL from any URL on the internet, and we will automatically create a fancy widget that is served up on our ad server. And you can also monetize this in multiple ways, especially with our new V2 builder, make it super fast and easy to do that. We have our new automation settings as well, allowing you to send once, always, or by number of visits with all bunch of filtering criteria to a whole bunch of endpoints. In fact, over 750 different endpoints available on our platform. Some are native, some use Zapier, but all are available to transfer data in real time. And that data is so valuable to your local marketing agency because it really is the emails, the retargeting, the phone numbers, the amount of things that you could sell to your clients once you capture that data is quite staggering. So our job is to really help you quickly and easily and seamlessly capture as much data as you can from your customers to help you monetize that with upsells. And we help you do that also with our new revenue calculators. Those can also be found on My Wi-Fi Networks and also in our members area. Those of you who are partners of ours have access to the source code and embed URLs for all of this to create your own calculators. There we also have our new marketing materials, thousands of new graphics and templates and tools to help you sell more social Wi-Fi solutions. So I want to give a big high five to our developers and all of our partners that are already using these new features live in your dashboards now. So if you already have an account, please log in right now at mywifi.io to test out these new features for yourself. It's either mywifi.io or your own white label URL. Those white labels out there know how that works. And if you don't have an account, find out more about the available plans at mywifinetworks.com. Again, I know this was fast, but I wanted to cover a lot in a short amount of time. My name is Kevin Zickerman, founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to helping you monetize your Wi-Fi.